We're witnessing a massive turning point in the smartphone world, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is leading the charge. This phone is set to blow the iPhone 16 Pro out of the water, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which could make the S25 Ultra the most powerful smartphone ever. But there's a twist in the tale. Rumors are swirling that this might mark the end of Samsung's Exynos chips. According to reports, Samsung is struggling to produce their 3nm Exynos chips, so all S25 models may shift to Snapdragon. There's even talk of MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip being featured in the series. Can you believe it? Samsung using a MediaTek chip in its flagship phone. That's a huge shift in strategy. Even Google is moving away from Samsung for its chips, teaming up with TSMC for the Pixel X series next year. Clearly, Samsung had big dreams for Exynos, but the reality might not go as planned. But don't worry, the good news is that Android will be stronger than ever with Qualcomm and MediaTek joining forces. We're in for an exciting era of supercharged Android devices. Galaxy S25 Ultra camera upgrades. Let's dive into the camera on the S25 Ultra. We're hearing rumors of some game-changing video performance upgrades. The 200MP sensor will shine, and with Samsung's efforts to improve night video mode, powered by Snapdragon and Galaxy AI, we could see the best video quality on a smartphone yet, rivaling even Google's devices. And speaking of Galaxy AI, don't forget that more AI features are rolling out in 2025. Samsung hinted at this during their Tab S10 and S24 Fan Edition announcements. One UI 7.0, the future of Samsung software. Now, let's not overlook One UI 7.0. The first hands-on reviews are in, and SamMobile reports some exciting new updates: a refreshed control center, smoother animations, new icons, and a revamped camera app. There's a ton of new features planned for One UI 7.0, but sadly, the beta won't drop until December, so we'll have to wait a bit. But once it hits, One UI 7.0 is going to transform the entire S25 series, and I can't wait to see what 2025 has in store. Samsung Galaxy S25 series specs and pricing. Now, let's talk specs and pricing for the Galaxy S25 series. Whether you're eyeing the S25, S25 Plus, or the flagship S25 Ultra, these phones are packed with stunning displays, impressive cameras, and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power. The standard Galaxy S25 features a 6.36-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with HDR10+ and a 120Hz refresh rate, priced around $800. The Galaxy S25 Plus offers a 6.7-inch display, a larger 4,900 mAh battery, and pricing starting at $1,100. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the ultimate powerhouse, featuring a 6.9-inch display, 200MP camera, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip across all regions, priced around $1,300. All models support 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and have UFS 4 storage options ranging up to 1 TB. So what do you think? Could this be the end for Exynos chips in Samsung's flagship phones? And will the S25 Ultra become your next smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates as we head into 2025. Stay tuned, we've got a lot more to cover as Samsung's Galaxy S25 launch approaches.